Hello friends, hi. Are you an engineering student and looking for an IT job in a top-notch multinational company, a top MNC? And are you someone with a great dream to land in a dream company and command a really dream package, say 10 lakhs or more? So, then you are a right place and welcome to my Rethink and Compensation Academy. Let me tell you a fact, my friend. If you want to get such a dream package, and if you're not studying in top notch engineering colleges in India, say IITs, NITs, or top notch government colleges, and if you are studying in a low rank engineering college, say second or third grade colleges, then to be honest, there is a little chance, a very low chance of getting such a dream placement. I'm sorry to say that, but that's the fact and that's the truth. Let me tell you why. You start thinking around this that first of all, the top MNC does not visit your college for campus recruitment. Even you are from computer science, IT, or whatever background, the company it does not visit to your college and you are completely dried and kept dry and high on the campus placement. The second aspect is that you are totally confused. No one is there to guide you how to start, when to start, and how to start such a placement preparation. And last but not the least, there is a lack of guidance. No one is there to guide you on your campus placement preparation. But don't worry, there is a solution of all this problem. That is why I have initiated my academy. This is called Rethink Your Career and Compensation Placement Academy. A quick introduction about myself. My name is Manoj Gupta and I'm working as a software professional in a top notch multinational company. And I'm a career psychometric coach and founder of Rethink Your Career and Compensation Academy, where success is beyond any boundary. I'm going to do a live webinar upcoming Saturday and Sunday to supercharge your career and grab the dream job and understand the dream job, dream placement roadmap. I will show you and demonstrate how to grab and land in a dream placement through campus or off campus process. A clear step by step career roadmap and placement plan, and you can think of me as an elder brother. I'm personally guide you to follow my step by step process to get the highest pay package in India that is even not possible for students studying in IITs or top notch. So there is a top secret around this, and I'm going to reveal this and provide you a step by step process to find the right MNC and grab the right job with your dream package. So, if you are currently studying in first year, second year, third year, or final year, or even pass out and still don't have job and placement and studies in any branch of engineering, then this webinar is for you, my friend. Simply click the link below and register for the webinar. Then I will see you live and personally guide you. Don't miss this life changing opportunity, and this will be a career transformation for you, and you will always cherish the moment you will spend with me on this webinar. Thank you very much. See you soon on my webinar. Thanks for being a patient listener. Please stay safe and sound and keep maintaining the social distance norm. With this, I will sign off and see you in live webinar. Thank you.